Today we'll make a short video on this neon multi-function 5-foot LED light strip. You can pick these up at most Dollar Trees and they're only $3. At most shops, most stores, they sell similar packages for about $8 to $12 depending on where you buy them. But I've had a lot of luck with the Dollar Tree items in terms of upgrading the lighting around the house. I've been pleasantly surprised with some of the products at that store. So let's go ahead and bust this guy open and see if we can install it. We have a section of here where it's just got this old little click light and it doesn't really work as good as our light bars that we have. So we're gonna actually install this light strip and see how it does in here and what it does to this space. Pop the top. Comes in a bag, little warning sticker. Got our remote control there. Got all of our buttons. Oh, this is kind of cool. It's got a transparent USB-A connection. So I guess it can just hide this thing. I like how it has this wheel. Guess you gotta, so it looks like you gotta feed this thing through first. Then you just unroll this guy. Oh look, and so they put this tape on there so you can just, nice, this is cool. Interesting. To get started, we need to have a USB-A connector. So we'll just use this one from an iPod charger. Go ahead and put our connection in here. Super tight fit. Definitely is not coming out of there. But let's plug it in. Let's roll this guy out. Get our controller opened up. Usually you got to pull a tab out. There's the tab. Off. On. I don't want blinking lights though. I want like regular, oh, you can do timers. Multifunction light strip. Set the mood. Let's do 1, 2, 3. They're all blinking. So it appears that your only option is to set one color, and there's only like a handful of these LEDs. The only ones that I would like even remotely are the green. I'm not really into the blue, red, neon, party effects, which, I don't know. I guess to each their own. But for $3, what do you expect? You can't have your cake and eat it too. I mean, I think this is super cool. They even have this. Multiple colors going. And you can speed it up. Pretty nifty, You can slow it down. I mean, I guess this would be a really cool if you're wanting to have a multi-neon setting. I thought for sure you'd be able to assign like one color to all of these little LEDs. And you could make all of them green. But when I switch it just to the light function, and then I just want the green, you can see there's only one green here, and then it's like it takes a while until there's a green down the lineup. It's literally basically one colored light every foot. So I don't know, I think I'm going to install this under my desk and we'll do some shots of how this looks later in the evening. I don't think this is going to be bright enough to light up our kitchen area the way that I'm hoping to. Yeah, let's run these up to the desk, and I think that these will perform a lot better up there. I'm thinking we can put the lights up here directly on the opposite side of this metal rail. This will be a cool little upgrade to stick behind like a TV, and we'll just peel it off a little bit as we go. Pretty simple. Huh. See, that's not too shabby. At nighttime, I would imagine when it's completely dark, it's like a party. The blue looks kind of cool. So you can see, kind of got a cool little effect. Every 12 inches, there's a blue LED. You can see how we got them mounted up in there. It's blinking red, blinking green. Kind of more or less I like the green. Helps kind of light it up a bit. I don't know, which color would you guys pick, the green or the blue? I kind of like the blue, but I like how bright the green is when the green is on. I think that kind of helps lighten it up a little bit more. And it's more, you know, it's closer to the natural lighting. So at nighttime, I think this is a good subtle upgrade to your desk. This little remote is pretty nifty. You can turn them off. You can turn them on. But they're off, on, off, on. So for $3, you get this cool little strip where, you know, you can change it up. And this might be a really fun thing for, you know, some kiddos that are playing music in their room. But for me, I think the subtle green is cool, and possibly that blue. I think those are going to be my two favorite. The red and the other one, I don't think it's for me. but nonetheless, I'll leave it at that, guys. Appreciate y'all watching this video. Hopefully this little 5-foot strip of LED lights is something that, you know, you guys can grab and put to use. For $3, I really feel like it's a bargain, and it kind of, you know, it makes for a nice little upgrade. And at nighttime, you know, you can kind of, I don't know, create and set your own mood in your office space, or by your bed, or behind your TV, whatever you might want to use this for. I think it's safe to say you could use it for a variety of different setups. But I'll leave it at that, guys. Appreciate y'all watching. Feel free to drop a like if you can, and we'll see you guys on the next video. Take care.